Good afternoon, everyone. This is Group E student, and we are today presenting our neonatal phototherapy unit. So, what is phototherapy? Phototherapy is actually a medical termination or the medical treatment for a baby with a nanometer of 420 to 460 nanometer, where the blue light is used to treat the excessive unconjugated bilirubin into the conjugated bilirubin. Now, we will learn the parts of the phototherapy unit. So first of all, this is overhead panel where the blue light passes to the baby surface. This is bassinet or the bed of the baby, where the baby is kept for the treatment of the neonatal jaundice. And third one is lower case, from where we can give the double surface blue light. And this is what the billy blanket is a fiber optic device which is used in the home settings for the treatment of the mild jaundice. And now the purpose will be explaining by Soumya.
Purpose of the phototherapy is unit is to reduce the bilirubin level from higher bilirubin level to normal bilirubin level, and to prevent bilirubin toxicity in the brain, and to promote bilirubin excretion through the urine and stool, and to manage neonatal jaundice safety.
Next one is types of phototherapy. There are four types of phototherapy. First one is conventional phototherapy. In conventional phototherapy, we use fluorescent blue lights from one direction, which cover the single surface of the baby. And second one is double surface phototherapy. In double surface phototherapy, we use two directional fluorescent blue lights to cover the both side of the baby, two surface of the baby. And next is LED phototherapy. In LED phototherapy, we use light emitting diode bulbs which provide blue lights. It works as these. And the last one is Billy blanket. In Billy blanket, we deliver the blue lights through a pad which cover the whole part of the body by covering by a blanket. Thank you.
Now, phototherapy mechanism of phototherapy. There is two type of mechanism: photooxidation and photoisomerism. Photo in photooxidations, bilirubins, which is fat soluble, is break down in polars, which is easily excrete out with stool and urine. Now, second parts, photoisomerism. With the help of photoisomerism, bilirubin, which is fat solubles, is get converted into bilirubins, which is water soluble. It can easily excreted from our body in with the help of urine and stools. In stools. Now, nursing rules in phototherapy. First, we cover the eye of infants to prevent retinal damage, and cover genitalia in males every 2 hours, breastfeeding to prevent dehydration, monitor temperatures to prevent or identify hypothermia or hypothermias, also measures once in a day weight of the bodies, and monitors every 12 hours TSB levels, means total serum bilirubins. And every 12 hours we monitors if bilirubin level is 10 mg per dl, we stop phototherapy. If bilirubin levels is increases more than 10 mg per dl, we will continue phototherapies. Now, contraindication or complication given by Bina.
Complications of phototherapy are in this. The main complication is dehydration. और इसमें होता है कि मतलब कॉन्जुगेटेड बिलिरुबिन होता है, अनकॉन्जुगेटेड जो है कॉन्जुगेटेड में चेंज हो जाता है, पर वो एक्सक्रीट आउट नहीं हो पाता है, वो स्किन के नीचे जमा हो जाता है, उस वजह से ब्रॉन्ज बेबी ग्रेस ब्राउन कलर का सरफेस हो जाता है बेबी का, इसमें ब्रॉन्ज बेबी सिंड्रोम कहते हैं। इसमें अगर बिलिरुबिन का लेवल ज़्यादा हो गया है तो ये ब्लड ब्रेन बैरियर से क्रॉस होकर के ब्रेन में जा सकता है, उसको कहते हैं एक्यूट ब्रेन इंसेफेलाइटिस। अगर उसको हम आगे ट्रीट ना करें तो उसको कहते हैं क्रेनेटिक एरस। इसमें डिहाइड्रेशन की वजह से फिर उसके ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कराते हैं कि वो सही हो सके, या फिर इसमें स्किन रैशेज हो सकता है, स्टूल लूज स्टूल पास हो सकता है. दीज आर द कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ ये फोटोथेरेपी.
Now I'm Kel, the side effect of phototherapy. The side effect of phototherapy like rashes and dehydration, loose stool, and hypothermia and hypocalcemia, and also brown baby syndrome. C.
So this was all about our group, that is neonatal phototherapy. Thank you so much for joining us.